the shit's naive, baby.
It's called a reality show. It's the saddest way everybody know to make money. Man down, cold 10.
Don't let your head get too big. Half you motherfuckers is broke anyway.
I'm 120, I'm single, and I'm raising children again. Lord help me.
I'm the wicked bitch of the show, Boomgosh. Yay! Boomgosh.
So ain't no mountain high and no valley low enough to get me off your ass. I own paparazzi diamonds.
With very little money, I was forced to pin my child, and I birthed Beezus. And now everything is possible. If this is the face of Ratchet, then call me King T. I'm Isaam Sharef, and we'll be back.